Personally, I was not surprised because I had discussed it with the national chairman and I knew we were going nowhere in Ekiti. I'm not afraid to say that our problem in Ekiti has been caused by the activities of our immediate past governor, Fayose. Yes. Fayose ruined the pace before he left office, insisted in putting one crank that worked with him as our candidate then, with all kinds of struggles and all that, they could not persuade him to do otherwise. He ended up on election day sprawling on the floor and crying. And that did not help us anywhere. Put that to rest. The build-up to the choice of a candidate in Ekiti was a big struggle. All kinds of meetings, all kinds of peace interventions, all kinds of things, until they had to push away Segun Oni, who went to SDP that was not known there. The outcome is clear. There is no state governorship election that the National Party has not constructed a campaign council. There was none for Ekiti. There were no rallies there. Nothing. Nothing happened there. And all that caused the problem was for Fayose to put himself as a presidential candidate in order to garner, some people to vote as delegates in Abuja. So for delegates in Abuja, Ekiti was sacrificed. So it's nothing new, and I think we have seen it, and I think the party at national level must address this matter and not allow it to be a constant. And I think the country must know, and the party must know, if people misbehave in the party, no matter what level of the party, whether it is at the highest level or the lowest level, there must be disciplinary action taken against them. If that is not done, then please, we are wasting our time because we have a big battle to fight for the presidency. And all we have done is that we shall get the presidency. And to get the presidency, we must not push these things under the carpet. I congratulate our new Vice Presidential Candidate, Governor of Delta State, His Excellency Okowa. But let me reveal to you what you might know or not know. Our governor, Governor Obaseki, was also a very strong contender. He will not tell you, but many of us appealed to him, but ab initio, he told me and others that he supported Okowa. I am not surprised that he's very happy that Okowa, his partner, has taken over. I told him my own small reservations, but I told him that since he supports Okowa, I will support Okowa myself. We are happy, just like former Deputy Governor has said, that Edo and Delta form the fourth region of Nigeria. They broke away from the western region through plebiscite, proper plebiscite. And that was why we're the fourth region. And so when they're talking about east, west, and north, there is Midwest as well. So this time around, we have a Midwesterner now going to ascend the throne as Vice President of Nigeria. And there are many reasons that you can see. I mean, if you look at social media, there's a problem with the Southeast. But this man is between Edo and the Southeast. Ohanese has already declared that they support him. And so, even the Igbos have accepted him as their man. Yes, we're having some skirmishes with the activities of our friend, Peter Obi, under Labour. But Labour has no structure. Labour has no base. I think he made a fundamental error by what he had done. And so, the Igbos themselves know that the shortest route now for an Igbo president is Okowa and Atiku. But Atiku and Okowa become president and vice president. That's the shortest route for the Igbos to become president. Yes, there is north, there is south. People talk about the north, talk about the south. I am not a Fulani apologist. But there are good people in the North as well. And if we must pick somebody from the North to work with, we must pick somebody who is a liberal Northerner. And the liberal Northerner that everyone knows today is Atiku Abubakar. It is true that this meeting has been convened, and it's a good thing. I've listened to the reason for convening this meeting is also good. And we must continue to make peace. We must continue to make peace. There's no time that anybody who is in politics engages himself into any pursuit that he must say that whether you like it or not, he must win. Not true. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But the majority carries the day.